Hello guys, it's me, Womanshock, and today we're doing another episode of Destiny, and today we're going to be looking at the Universal Remote. And today, basically it's a Universal Remote. It's not necessarily the greatest weapon. It looks a lot like Found Verdict when you're holding it out though. So that's the one thing I noticed. I couldn't really tell the difference between people when they were holding Found Verdict and Universal Remote. Although Universal Remote isn't the greatest because it's a primary shotgun. Not really what you want. And someone's attacking me while I'm wearing, doing a thing. So basically, there's a description to it. So the untrained eye, this beast is a junker. To the trained eye, however, this junker is a beast. Yeah. So first of all, it's kinetic damage, as most exotics are. And first of all, it's got smooth ballistics, less recoil penalty to range. It has a really small range. First of all, that's not great. As a default damage, that's pretty high because usually exotics have like. Actually, I'm not sure. Usually, some exotics start off with like 157. Then we have soft ballistics, less recoil penalty to impact. Then we have CQB ballistics, greatly reduced recoil, significant penalty to range. I don't think you want that since it's already insanely low range. So then that's just going to be painful for you. Then we have crowd control, one of its main upgrades. Crowd control kills with this weapon grant bonus damage for a short time. Then we have an upgrade damage increase. Then we have hammer forge. I like the look of this. It really improves your accuracy and your range, which you want on a shotgun, especially if it's a primary. Since primaries are supposed to be your long-lasting one and help a lot. Yeah, then we have lightweight. When held, this weapon grants +2 character agility. If you like to be fast or you're a hunter and you like just want to be really fast and sprint around and stuff, then this is sort of a good weapon to hold. Then we have snapshot. Aiming this weapon is incredibly fast, so it's like sort of like quick draw pretty much. See, like, no, not quick draw. So you can pretty much look at the Batman symbol right there, like half of the Batman symbol. Don't you see that right there? Everyone, look at that. Pause it right now. Look, it looks so much like the Batman symbol, like half of it. Yeah. Then here's the most original name title for the most important upgrade. Range and precision damage increased greatly while aiming down the sights. Popeye is shooting me probably. Then we have loads of 4 upgrades. This takes spin metal, by the way. There you go. There's the materials you need from it. So let's have a look at how it moves. Where am I? Get out of the way, Popeye. How'd you get me down here? Whoa, you've been pushing me pretty far, haven't you? So let's get a move on with this. Popeye, could you not? Seriously, Popeye? So it's got a decent rate of fire. Hey, what's that? Yeah, so it's got a pretty decent rate of fire. That could be sort of decent in PvP, I don't know. But all in all, it's definitely not good for PvE. It does a good amount of damage, especially at decent range. Although the range sort of lied to us then, because it has a good amount of range. Yeah. So all in all, this is okay. It's not essentially the one you want for your character, all in all, because you want unless they hand out like a primary secondary, so like a assault rifle with the secondary, it's not the greatest weapon to have, since you sort of want your more durable weapons at the front of your team, front, because there's definitely better exotics to have. This definitely isn't one of them. I think this would probably count as a legendary. That is not great. It's not great. It's just, yeah, and it also runs out of ammo pretty quickly. That's not what you want. So this has already run out, and I'm now weaponless. Yeah. So. Yeah, as you can see, there's the verdict of it. Found Verdict is much better than this. I would say Invective or Found Verdict definitely beats this. maybe even the comedian. So if we compare this, I've got my comedian and I've got this. I definitely say, I'd say this is better if it was a secondary. But all in all, it's not great as a primary. It's like that's probably its biggest downfall. It'd probably be great. It probably is better than could be better than Found Verdicts, but definitely not as. If it was a secondary, maybe it'd be better than Found Verdicts. But as a primary, definitely not so sure about that. Definitely not so sure about that. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of Destiny. Comment, like, subscribe, smash the like button for till explodes. Also, it does not have an element to it, which also is probably a downfall. To make it better, to probably slightly make up that loss of power behind it, and the fact that it's primary, not secondary, as a shotgun with really limited range, definitely think they should add some sort of element to this, because this is crap. If they it'd be better if they buff this so that the loss of having a good primary gets made up. So guys, I hope you enjoyed. Comment, like, subscribe, smash the like button for till explodes, and I'll see you later, guys. Bye. Those guys are really fast spawning. You'll say goodbye, Popeye? No way, not yet. I need to kill these guys, because otherwise I'm probably gonna die. Let me get to a safe cover. You ready, guys? 3, 2, 1. Goodbye, guys. Go, Popeye. Popeye, say goodbye.